Hello, 21 Accents Academy member.
Hey, 21 Accents Academy member.
Hello, 21 Accents Academy member.
Hey, 21 Accents Academy member.
Thank you.
For becoming part of our academy dedicated to accents,
Acting,
Public speaking.
And voice work.
As a member, you get access to an awesome members-only area with tons of video courses, tutorials, tips, and more, all to help you reach your goals.
So let's get started. Once you click the join button and become a member, you get immediate access to different courses and content depending on the tier you selected.
If you click the menu bar and go to playlists, you'll see all the content we offer, and you'll be able to watch everything in your tier and all the tiers below yours.
The perks section has some really important links, like this feedback form. Here you can send us your ideas for content you'd like to see, and any suggestions or rave reviews.
On the menu bar, you'll also see the Community tab. This is the place for exciting community notifications, polls, questions, and interactions with your fellow Academy members.
You'll also see our fun custom emojis after your name when you comment on our videos, and you can pick your favorites.
We value each and every one of our 21 Accents Academy members.
and we want you to get the most out of your membership.
We're excited to help you accomplish your goals.
and unleash your authentic self.
Vibes
to your optimal learning.